You know cars can also sing. So let's see which car is the best singer. At number 3, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. A 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12. Its exhaust note is so powerful, it's like a rock concert on wheels. At number 2, the Mazda 787B. 4-rotor engine wrapped in aerodynamic Coke bottle bodywork. At 7,000 RPM, its scream is iconic, but you might need earplugs. And at number 1, the Pagani Zonda R. Just 15 ever made, it's 6.0-liter Mercedes-AMG with a melody that's pure automotive magic. They hit the high notes of engineering brilliance.